Call to order, special called video conference of Bowling Green Code Enforcement and Nuisance Board, May 25th, 2021. Have a roll call.
Deere,
Yes.
Simpson, Dearbone, Eggleton,
Here.
Thomas,
Here.
Okay, have you had a chance to review the minutes?
Yes, I make a motion that we accept the minutes as presented.
Okay,
I'll second that.
okay, all in favor?
okay, Deere,
Yes.
Eggleton,
Yes.
Thomas,
Yes.
When else swear in the officers, let's see, I think maybe Officer Hetty, the only one that will be, okay, so everyone's here, okay. Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do.
Our agenda has 2 items on it. The first case is case 2020-4147, located 932 US 31W Bypass, owner 31 Properties LLC, as to be presented by Officer James Hetty.
Yes, thank you.
Delane, you want to hold on just 1 second? Delane just walked into the office and we're getting him on a computer right now.
Yes, thank you.
Yes, sir.
All yours, sir. We don't need to push, nothing? Nope, good to go. Hey there, everybody.
Hello.
Hello, hello, hello.
Okay. Okay, Officer Hetty, are you ready?
I am. Thank you. And hello. This case is a 2019 case. I had a complaint back in August of 2019 of a gravel parking lot. I did inspect it on the 23rd, and I issued a notice of violation September of 2019. I talked to the owner, Mr. Casey Travelstead, and there's different times that while we talked that he was supposed to get a site work plan for the permits and looking into a landscape or turned it into taking up the gravel. And pretty much that this was the end of 2019 and the beginning of 2020. But I didn't see any movement going forward on that property. So unfortunately, September of 2020 was the first citation that I wrote for that property. So pretty much a whole year going back and forth. But September 2020, I wrote the first citation. October of that year 2020, the second citation, and still no movement. Therefore, in March of this year, I wrote the third citation for that property. And as of today, I went by and I inspected it, and it's still, there's no movement towards compliance. And today is 644th day, which on this slide, I had this PowerPoint fixed up for the April meeting, so it's a little off, but instead of 614 days, it's 644 days. And of course, today is May the 25th instead of April 27th.
Any questions for Officer Hetty? If not, I'll entertain a motion.
Yeah, I make a motion, let's see here. I make a motion that we authorize a per day fine in the amount of $100 to run for a period of 60 days.
I'll second that.
Deere, Thomas, Deere,
Yes.
Eggleton,
Yes.
Thomas,
Yes.
And I'm here. I'm here, Tabitha.
oh, sorry, Simpson, I'm sorry. That was from earlier.
But thank you.
Okay, thank you. Case 2, Officer Hilliard, this is case 2020-5142, located at 318 Butler Way. Owner is Miles Property LLC. Is Officer Hilliard here? Someone going to?
Yes, I can present that. That's not a problem.
Okay.
Also, I want to mention for the record that this is citation number 2020-11915.4, and that there was an error on the citation, and that's the reason that we need to remove that. We need to have that dismissed, including the fees assessed with that.
Okay.
So that's the gist of that.
Okay. Have a motion?
I have a question. Will it be reintroduced later?
She can move forward on issuing new citations from this point on. Yes.
All right, thank you.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Is there a motion?
I'll
If
make,
it's been withdrawn, do we need to have a motion?
yeah, I mean, it's been,
Yes. We do. We need to have a motion because there is still a citation and fees assessed on the property currently. So we need to wipe that out so we can remove those.
What would be a proper motion?
To make a motion to dismiss the citation and fine, and then the amount that is there, which is $404.05.
It's a good motion.
Second.
So who made that motion?
Nobody.
Okay, I just heard a second, so I thought someone.
I'm sorry, Jack, I thought you were gonna make that motion, excuse me.
Well, I will. As presented by Tabitha.
Okay.
There,
Thomas and Simpson. Deere,
yes.
Simpson,
Yes.
Eggleton,
Yes,
Thomas.
Yes.
Thank you all for that.
okay, thank you. Comments and announcements. Tabitha has indicated that starting our June 22nd meeting, we will be held in person. So we all look forward to seeing each other in person there. Mr. Broderick, any comments from you?
no, don't have anything, although I do have one inquiry. Since we're going live on the 22nd, what time will that be?
Right now, we're gonna go ahead and just say 5 o'clock. We're gonna work on trying to get that moved to 4:30 potentially, but right now we'll just say 5 o'clock.
Hey,
If there's
Tabitha,
a change, I will make sure to let everyone know.
Tabitha, on the sheet you put out in January, it has it down as June 29th. Is it the 22nd or the 29th?
Say that one more time, Brad.
The schedule that you put out in January of all of the meetings shows June 29th.
Oh, okay. Well, I miscalculated. I was looking on the calendar now, and the fourth Tuesday is the 22nd.
Okay, so the 22nd. Thank you.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Any other business to come before the board? If not, I'll ask for a motion to adjourn.
So moved.
Second,
Simpson, Deere,
yes.
Simpson,
Yes.
Eggleton,
Yes,
Thomas.
Yes.
okay, thank you, and look forward to seeing everyone in person
Yes.
in a month.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Hey,
David,
Mr. Heady,
real
will
quick.
you stay online a second, James? Already
Yes.
lost.
Yes,
Great,
sir.
good.
And I had a
Okay.
question for you